What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be share 7 work from home jobs that can easily pay you $200 or even more than that. Okay, literally the method I'm going to share, you can convert that into a 6-figure business. It depends on you how much are you gonna to put effort. Okay, but before that I have a little surprise for you, that I'm going to provide 100% free training to make $100 per day, and it's literally with 100% free traffic. So if you want to make $100 per day, be sure to check out the link in the description. And another thing, if you are in the niche of making money online, business related niche, entrepreneurship related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button now, because you are gonna find here daily content and valuable content on this channel. So now let's jump into the video. What I'm going to share with you, the first thing that I'm going to share with you is the commenting. You might be thinking that how anyone can make $200 per day with just commenting. Literally I also used to think, but after seeing on the Facebook and YouTube, you can really do this very well. What you need to do, just first of all, whatever your niche is, let's say weight loss, okay, or weight loss, okay, weight loss. So what you are gonna to do, just search for your group, search for your keyword, if you are in the niche of weight loss, just search on the Facebook and join the groups like this. 44,000 members, that's really great. And 7 posts a month. Literally it is having a lot of posts. Okay, so what you need to do, just join all of these groups, about 5 to 10 every single day. Okay, and after that, just there will be you will see that lots of guys will asking questions, so just reply to their comment, reply to their post, comment them, help them. You will see that after some time they will see you as an authority figure. Whenever there is something, they will come to your they will come to you and personally message you and will ask you something. So that is the time, and literally on that time you can really sell them something. And even if you can when you are going to help in the starting, time by time you will be building an authority. So whenever you are going to post anything on the group, even it's related to promotional, they are more likely to gonna buy. Okay, so literally this is the ultimate way. Let's say you have joined over 10 groups. Okay, 10 groups, I'm telling you about the 10 groups a day. Okay, so you have joined let's say you have joined 10 groups a day. So after a month you will be having about 300 groups. And in the 300 groups, I'm not saying to post every single day on the 300 groups, just to select like every single day, go on in the 10 groups and all that stuff. Okay, what I will suggest you, just work with only 30 to 50 groups. So now you are having about 50 groups. Okay, so if you are going to answer 50 questions into the groups, after some time you will see that every single day you will start getting about 30 to 50 friend requests, or even sometimes it will cross to 100 as well. After some time, just keep helping them. And what you need to do, let me just show you. I even haven't done that yet. Okay, literally just add your bio a little, tell about your niche, and thereafter just add your link to the free opt-in page, where you can provide free landing page, something for free, so that whenever they will be coming to their landing page, let's say you are getting about 30 requests a day, so all of these 30 are really very much interested in you. So if every single day 30 requests are there, in a month there will be about 1,000 requests. And if you have gotten 1,000 email list, or even not, if you have got just 500 members, just with 500 members you can literally make $1,000 to $2,000. So you can really think that how powerful is this. And time by time it will be adding as a compound interest. Okay, it will keep on compounding, and you will see that whenever you post even in the group as promotional stuff, out of in just one group there are 44,000 members, as I've shown you, 44k members. And if only 100 are going to buy, okay, there are 50 groups, so every single day you can do one promotional post in one group. Okay, so if 100 are going to buy a $10 product, you can literally make $1,000 every single day. Guys, this is very much powerful, but it really takes work. You have to do hard work in the starting. After that you will see a big growth. Even if after that you can post on your profile, and thereafter you can start driving traffic on your profile as well. Okay, So literally this is the first method and ultimate method to make $200 is very easy from this method. The second method is the launch jacking. This is the ultimate way with which you can make money as a complete beginner. Well, for example, let me just show you. Basically, launch jacking is whenever there is any product like Kevin David, okay, I have done a little mistake. Kevin David Facebook ads course. Look at this. There are lots of guys. This girl has only 12 subscribers and she has posted about this guy 75 subscribers and almost 1 week ago, and now 2500 views. So look at this. This really works well. Okay, so this guy is promoting a Kevin David course, and Kevin David course is at least of $1,000, at least of $1,000. So he is paying about $500 as a commission. Okay, $500 as a commission, and out of 2500 only 25 are gonna to buy, only 1%. So look at this. This guy has made about $12,500 just by one Facebook or one YouTube video. Look at this. Just with one Facebook video, YouTube video, this guy has made $12,500, and literally I'm taking very less conversion. But how you are gonna to do this? Whenever there is any new product, just make a video before it is launching, even 1 week ago and stuff like that, 2 weeks ago. The more you are gonna to go early, the more your video will be ranking, because on that time there will be no video in that field. Okay, just like this, a website. But how you will be asking, how am I gonna to know about the new products? Basically, this is the website called munchai.com, and here you can see there are all of the products which are launching in the coming days: 4 July, 5 July, 6 July. You just need to upload the videos about all of these guys' reviews, and just make the video, and your video will start ranking. These are the big launches. Okay, so you need to do all this stuff. Okay, and you will see that your video will start ranking at the top. You will start getting subscribers, and literally all of the video will work as compounding. Okay, they will keep on adding and adding. So this is the second method with which you can make a ton of money, as I've already shown you with just one video, $12,500. Okay, and literally the third thing is the consulting. Yeah, this is also very much powerful. If you are new, then also you can you can charge over $50 per hour. What's bad in that? Per hour, in the starting you have to bear something like this. Okay, what you need to do, just reach out to the bloggers. Just type over here like bloggers. In whatever the niche you are, like if you want a niche about the weight loss niche, so type over here the weight loss bloggers and all that stuff. Okay, then after join these groups and ask this whether they need any advice. In the starting, provide them something free advice. And after that they will come to know that your consulting is very valuable. So after that they are going to pay you, and literally the same thing you can do by commenting on all of these posts. They will think you as an authority figure, and after that you can start charging for personal training, for personal consulting. Okay, so this is very much powerful, and after some time when you will be having an authority, you can charge over $500. You can charge over $500 for every single hour. You can charge over $1,000. Okay, literally Dan Locke, he is the high ticket seller. He charges over $5,000 to $10,000 per hour if you want to consult with him. Okay, so literally this is very much powerful. And the fourth thing that I wanted to share with you, arbitrage. Basically this is a very easy work and literally very easiest way. So what you need to do in the arbitrage, you're going to find low products for a low price, and you are going to sell somewhere where you can sell them for a high price. For example, on the eBay, as most of you are not aware that on the eBay there are lots and lots of websites can be sold. Okay, so look at this, websites for sale, but I'm telling you that on the eBay the websites are sold at a very low price, just $100, $5, okay, $18 and $1,000. This one is sponsored lifetime traffic website for sale, and $14, $15, $16. And look at this now, flipper.com. It is kind of a specialty in the kind of selling website. Look at this, every website over here is at least starts from $200. Okay, starts from actually there is not much difference in this. The only difference is nobody is aware that on the eBay there are websites which can be sold, and on the Flippa is specially of the selling websites. So that is why the price over here is very high. What you need to do, just grab a good website from here, check out their a little traffic and all that stuff. For example, you are going to sell this website, you can easily put the price to $100, and if you have sold just one website, one website, you can make a ton of money, because I will suggest you to never charge anything less than $200. Okay, so you can really charge a lot of money from this. You just need to pick a website from here and list it over here, and whenever there will be any order, just place the order over here, and they will give you something kind of password and all that stuff, and share the password over here, and boom, you have made $200 by just $5. So this is also a great way to make $200 per day, and as I remember, this is the easiest way, and if you are broke, this is also going to work very well. For what you need to do, just go on the Facebook and type over here bloggers or whatever you can, okay, and tell them, go to their site, or what you can do, just go to over here, and let's say your niche is weight loss blogs. See, when you are gonna to search this term, you will see that there are tons and tons of blogs. Okay, there are tons and tons of blogs. What you need to do, just go on their blogs. Okay, let me just show you. After you see, and there you have reached to over here, and you will see that there are also the social share buttons. Okay, social share buttons. Most of the sites will find you are going to find social buttons over here. Okay, this site is not having social buttons over here, or you might find it in the end. Look at this over here. So they are on the Pinterest, Facebook, they are on the Twitter, they are on the Pinterest, they are on the Google Plus, but they are not on the Instagram. So go over there and ask them, like, contact us option, and tell them, hello sir, that I have a social media agency, and I really want to tell you about the Instagram that is growing really very fast, and I have a social media agency, so I'm gonna to take care of I'm gonna to provide a lot of traffic with the help of the Instagram. I will build your Insta page. So you can ask these guys, and literally they will agree, because they do not have any Insta page. Just reach out. If they do not have a Facebook page, tell them that I'm gonna to create a Facebook page, and I am gonna to manage that. What you need to do, just create a Facebook page for them and start posting content over there. This is very powerful business, and you can literally charge $500 or even $1,000. It depends on you for every single customer you have. Okay, just find these. You can also go to the Facebook and type over here bloggers, and tell them I'm gonna to manage your Facebook page and all that stuff. Okay, so literally it's very easy. You just need to post content. Ask them that I'm gonna to work, that Insta can really provide a lot of traffic, as it has gotten over 1 billion users in just 1 year, in a very short period. Okay, so literally this is the ultimate way to make money. And now the sixth thing, the micro jobs. This is very easy, and I don't think you can make a lot of money, but to start a business, if you need some money, you can really do this. Basically, Amazon mturk is the best site you can do, to make money with micro jobs. But there are lots of other sites like Upwork. Yeah, basically on Upwork you can make even $1,000 every single day. It depends on when you will start getting orders. You will start making a ton of money. Look at this, Amazon Mechanical Turk is at top. This is my favorite website, and literally Amazon pays more than others. Okay, and as it's Amazon, so you do not have to worry about any work. You can do any work over here, like creating thumbnails, or doing SEO, or whatever you know. Okay, so this is very easy stuff. And the last thing, this is my favorite thing, and affiliate marketing. This is a business that you can transform this into any kind of whatever you want. If you want to convert it to a 5-figure business, you can do that. If you want to make $100, you can do that. If you want to make $1,000, you can do that. Okay, you can convert it into 6-figure, 7-figure, depending on you. and literally I have 100% free training on affiliate marketing, on how to make $100 per day as a complete beginner with 100% free traffic. Basically what we do in the affiliate marketing, we do basically sell other people products for commission. Commission can be 75%, commission can be 75%, 100%, 50%. It depends on the what the seller is providing. And this is you can do the affiliate marketing on ClickBank, JVZoo. So if you want detail about the affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description. There is a 100% free training, and I am very much sure $100 is the easiest way, least amount you can make with that training. So I really hope that guys you like this video. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button now, and also leave a comment if you have any question, and then let me know. I'm gonna to answer it. So at last, thanks for watching.